Hi guys, welcome to the session. My name is Prakash, Math Tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. See here, a number is selected randomly from first 50 natural numbers. Here we need to find the probability that the number is a multiple of 3 or 4. So let's write down the multiples of 3 and multiples of 4 first. So multiples of 3 from 1 to 50 is 50 by 3. So which is 16. So we have 16 multiples of 3 from 1 to 50 natural numbers. Similarly, write down the multiples of 4. So multiples of 4 from 1 to 50 are 50 divided by 4. So we have a 12 multiples of 4 from 1 to 50 natural numbers. Also write down the multiples of 3 and 4. The multiples of 3 and 4 is nothing but 3 times of 4. So the multiples of 3 into 4 is 12. So write down the multiples of 12. So which is 50 divided by 12. So we have 4 multiples of 3 and 4 from 1 to 50 natural numbers. Now write down the P of A, P of B and P of A intersection B values. So P of A is nothing but P of 3, which is the multiples of 3, which is 16, and P of B is the multiples of 4, so which is P of 4 is equals to 12, and also multiples of 3 and 4. So the P of 3 intersection 4 is 4. So now the multiples of 3 or 4, which is the general formula is P of A union B is equals to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Just substitute the above values into this and find the P of A union B, which is P of 3 union 4. So 16 plus 12. So P of A is 16, P of B is 12, and P of A intersection B is 4. So 16 plus 12 minus 4 becomes 24. So the multiples of 3 or 4 are 24. Now we need to find the probability. The probability of the number which is the multiples of 3 or 4. Multiples of 3 or 4 is, so the favorable and the total. The total natural number is 50 and the number of multiples of 3 or 4 is 24. So if we simplify that, we'll get 24 by 50 becomes 12 by 25. So the probability of the number of multiples of 3 or 4 is 12 by 25. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.